Hi all and welcome to Liquid Earth. I'm Age, and in today's quick tip in Lightroom Classic CC we're going to cull our images. So after import, let's select the folder where we've imported the images, and down the bottom here in the Lightroom Develop module we can select the loop view, or what I like to do is press the E
which
to
is the
quickly go
keyboard shortcut.
to the loop view as a shortcut. And let's start at the very beginning in our film strip here. And we can use the tools along the bottom here. So we're going to start off with the flag tool and the reject tool. And the shortcut is P, which will create a flag, or X, which will create a reject flag. Or you can just press these icons if you prefer. So the first thing to do is to go to your photo, and I'd advise checking on the auto advance. That way, as soon as you pick or reject a photo, if I pick this one for instance, it will automatically advance to the next one, making your job a lot slicker. So now I'm going to go through all of these images and pick or reject them. Any picks I'm going to keep for whatever reason, and the rejects I'm going to eventually delete forever. If you change your mind on anything, you can go back to it and you can overwrite it with the X, or if you wish you can go back and you can press the U, and that will take the flag off altogether. Once completed, you can go back into the grid view. I like to press the G as a shortcut, and you can see that all of your images now have a pick flag or a reject flag. And the first thing I'll do is I'll go to Photo and Delete Rejected Photos. So that's going to take all of the photos that you've associated with a reject flag and delete them completely from the disk if you use this option, or remove them just from Lightroom here. I'm going to delete them completely. If you want to refine them further, you can go to the star ratings down the bottom here, and the keyboard shortcuts are 1 to 5. So if you start and you can press the 1 to 5 keys and just start rating accordingly. So you might want to use these for images you want to show to family, or ones that you might want to put in a slideshow, or ones that are ideal for your portfolio. And then once you've done all of your ratings on the images, you can select the filters down the bottom here and just show the ones that are rated greater than or equal to 4-star, for instance. Or if you put a combination of color images on your photos, so if we command click just a few of these and we select the red label, and the keyboard shortcut is number 6, and you've got 7, 8, 9, and you can right click and choose the purple. There's no shortcut for it. I'll just click this icon down here. And now if I want to just look at the photos that are greater than or equal to 4-star and are red, I can select them both here. And if you want to turn all of the filters back off again, just click this little icon and you're back to all your photos in the folder. Hope that was helpful for you. If it was, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. I post them every single week. Thanks again for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. I'll see you next time.